In this video, let's talk about how to access the Seedance 2.0, which is currently only available within mainland China. First step is you will need to get the Douyin app. If you are using iPhone, you need to change the App Store to mainland China, and then you are able to download the app. If you are on Android, you will need to download the APK directly, search for it, and download it and install it. And then you will need a Chinese phone number to be able to sign up. So the easiest way, I think, is go to the hero.sms.com, and as you can see, you can receive SMS. It will give you a phone number. You will need to sign up, and down here, just search for Douyin. It will give you option. So once you have the phone number, you will be able to download the Douyin app. Make sure that you see this icon for the app. There may be some fake one. Don't fall for them. Once you have the Douyin app, now it's exciting. We are able to go to this address, this URL, jimeng.jianyin.com. As you can see here, here's the Seedream 2.0. And you will need to sign in. So go to the left bottom part. There is a sign in. I need to agree, this one, default one. Now the window is for you to sign in using your Douyin app account. You will need to scan the QR code using your Douyin app, and you need to confirm it within your Douyin app. You see that it shows you that it's getting accepted. So now you are able to sign in. Here it just shows my points. I have like 110 points, and here on the left side, there is inspiration. This is generating. So this one is the star symbol is for generating. And I go to in here, and you can see that there is the agent mode. Click on that, change it to the video. So there's the video icon. Now you can change the model. There is Seedance 2.0. There is also Seedance 2.0 Fast, slightly cheaper using the Fast. Provide your prompt, so it will be able to generate the video for you. And here it will show you the dimension for the video. There's 121, 9 to 16. So now I think you can have an idea, and then you can start generating. And congratulations. And I think 110 points is just too little. So if you want to get more, so let's click on that. So you can see that there is several tiers. There is the free one, there is the basic, and there is the standard, and this is the premium. And lastly, I also want to just show you something I have generated. One thing I feel a little bit disappointed is because of the censorship. So as you can see, this one, it didn't getting generated. I don't know because of why. Luckily, there are something that was able to generate it compared to Sora 2. So this command, it was not able to generate in Sora 2, but here it's doing fine. So this one. Yeah, so those are like a Seedance 2.0 fast, but the quality is still quite good. Okay, so I think I hope this gave you an idea about how to access it. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumb up and share it. Please subscribe to the channel for future content. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.